One question we almost always get at the Capital MatchPoint is, what's on the mind of our investors? And to be honest, the answer to that's a lot. But one thing you can count on that's front and foremost in their mind is the value of your company. The reason they're interested in that is because they want to see how much equity in your company they're going to get in return for a capital infusion. And they're going to go about that in several different ways. One method that they're going to commonly use, though, is what's called the price-to-earnings ratio. And what the price-to-earnings ratio is quite simply the price of your stock divided by the earnings per share of your stock over a 12-month period. For example, let's say Company A's stock price is $20, and let's say the most recent annual earnings for Company A was $2 per share. The price-to-earnings ratio for Company A is 10. Now, the way our investors are going to use this information is they're going to do some research on publicly traded companies in your market space, and they're going to look at an average of price-to-earnings ratios across those companies. They'll arrive at what this industry can support, and then they're going to make some determinations about how long it's going to take you to achieve sufficient revenue and sufficient earnings to execute an exit plan. At this point, they're going to make some assumptions about what the stock market at the point in time that they anticipate your exit, what kind of appetite the stock market is going to have for public offerings, sales, and they're going to accordingly assign a price-to-earnings ratio to your company. It's also important for the entrepreneur to understand this and do their own homework so that when the time comes to negotiate with the investors, they can be prepared to defend the value of their company. Because after all, what they're giving up is a portion of equity in their company in exchange for an infusion of cash. If any entrepreneur thinks that they need help, get in touch with us at the Capital MatchPoint. That's what we're here to do. We're here to put you in the best position possible to negotiate when the time comes.